Hi, so I have done for the question 1, question 2, and now is question 3. So this is 2025 exam paper set A, questions 3. So first one is the keys and scale. Take one box to show the correctly written key signature of F sharp major. So how many key signature is F sharp major? So it would be F, C, G, D, A, E sharp. F, C, G, D, A, E sharp. So let's see the first one, F, C, G, but the G should be here. So this is false. Second one, C, D, E, F, F, C, G, D, A, E sharp. It seems this is good. Never mind, we try the third one. This is F, C, D, E, F, C, G. Oh no, this is too low. Last one, F, C, G, D, A should be here. So this is false. The second one is good. 3.2. Tick one box to show the correctly written key signature of B flat minor. Minor key, I will look for the major first. So B flat minor, you go up 3 steps. It will be B, C, and D flat. So D flat major is the key, is the relative key. So D flat major, we have B, E, A, D, G flat. So it will go like, first one is B, E, A, D, G flat. It looks good for the first one. Let's try the second one. B, E, A, D. Oh no, this is F, so this is wrong. B, E, A, D, too high, wrong. B, E, A, oh, this is not a D, so this is wrong as well. The first one is the answer. 3.3. Circle the correct key of each of these 3 melodies. So for this, I will look for the right hand side first, which is D flat major is B, E, A, D, G flat. And F minor is A flat major. A flat major, you will have B, E, A, D flat, and also the 7 sharp. Remember the 7 sharp. So the 7 note actually is the E flat, but after you raise, you got E natural. So no more E flat for this. A flat major, you will have B, E, A, D flat. G flat, you will have B, E, A, D, G, C flat. Okay, let's see which one is matched with the key. So G flat, A flat, B flat, and C flat. This is D flat, and this is E flat and G flat. So I follow the sequence. It will have B, E, A, D, G, C flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 flat. Answer is G flat major. This is the answer. Because we have the 6 flat in the keys. In this melody, yes, it's G flat major. Moving on. 6, 8, and you will have a C sharp, F sharp, G sharp, C sharp. Okay, now try to find out all the key signature. F, C, G, D, A, E sharp for the F major, F sharp major. A major, you will have F, C, G sharp. E major, you will have F, C, G, E sharp. B major is F, C, G, D, A sharp. All is major, so you just need to check which one is the key. So it's F, C, G sharp, 3 sharps is A major. Only this can match. See, we have a B flat, A flat, and E flat. And this, you look, this is B natural. So this must be a minor key. The major can be out. So E minor, C minor, you will have E flat major. E flat major is B, E, A flat. And you know the 7 note is a B flat. Now it's B natural is the 7 note. G minor, you will have B flat major. B flat major is B flat, E flat. And the 7th note is F, so you have F sharp. Last one, D minor is F major. F major, you have a B flat, and a D minor, you will have C sharp for the 7th note. Okay, so B natural is C minor is the answer. Yeah, let's continue. 3.4. Take one box for X and Y. So for this is F harmonic minor. I will find the major key first, which is A flat major. A flat major is B, E, A, D flat. And who is the 7th note? The 7th note is F, C, G, D, A. F, G, A, B, C, D, E. So it's the E natural is the 7 sharp. So I will start from the F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. So my step 1 is find out the major key. Step 2 is find out the key signature and also the 7th sharp, 7th note raise. And the third step, I write down all the notes F, C, G, D, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. And I add in all the key signature. So E flat, E flat, A flat, D flat. And the 7th note must raise to E natural. So I know X is D flat, Y is E natural. Because it's harmonic, you need to raise the 7th note. Okay, let's move on to the next questions. This is 3.5. Circle one clef for each scale to form minor scale. For this, I will try one by one, which is the treble clef is E flat minor. E flat minor is 1, 2, 3. G flat major. G flat major, you will have B, E, A, D, G, C flat. So this is B. No, sorry. This is B, E, A, B, E, A, D, G, C flat. This is matching all this. So this is melodic minor descending because they are keeping all the original keys. This is the answer because it can match, perfectly match. Try B now. The first one in treble clef will be the A minor. A minor is a C major. C major has no sharp, no flat. So I can see that its inside have the flat. So this is out. For the bass clef, this is C minor. You will get E flat major. E flat major, you will have B, E, A flat. And B, E, A flat, who is the 7th note? Which is C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. B is the 7th note. So B flat raised to B natural. May have the chance to get this right. So this is the E flat, good. This is A flat, good. And the B is raised. So, but we want the B natural. So I don't think this is the answer because it's C minor don't have the B sharp. Let's try another one. So this is the B minor. B minor is D major. D major is F sharp and C sharp don't have any flat. So this can be out. Not possible. The last one, C, B, A, G is a G minor. G minor is B flat major. B flat major, you have B flat, E flat. This is B flat. This is E flat. Good. can match. And the 7th note is F sharp. So this is F sharp. This is the answer. Look for the C. This is A minor. A minor is C major. C major, you raise the 7th note. A minor, the 7th note is a G sharp. Oops. So this is C minor, C major, and the 7th note is G sharp. So this is the G sharp. I think this is the answer for this. If you are not sure, you can still try for the last 3 clef. And the bass clef is a C minor and it's E flat. So E flat is not possible because there's no flat inside. Moving on, this is B minor. B minor is D major. D major is F sharp, C sharp, not possible. The last one, it is C, B, A, G. It's a G minor. G minor is B flat major, not possible. So the treble clef is our answer. 3.6, circle true or false. This is the correctly written chromatic scale beginning on B flat. Chromatic scale, B flat. For me, I will write down all the notes. So it's B flat, B natural, E, E sharp, F, F sharp, G, E, E sharp, G, G sharp, E, and B flat. And do you see the mistake? There is the E and, oh sorry, it's E sharp and F. Oh, sorry, this is the C. I make it wrong. So this is B flat, B natural, C, C sharp, and D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, and G sharp, E, and B flat. The starting note B flat is good. Any enharmonic note? I don't see any enharmonic note. And how about any note that meets? No, I think it's all good for this. So you can try to play in, imagine you have a piano in front of you, then you play like B flat, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A, and B flat. This is good, true. Next one, this is the correctly written chromatic scale beginning on G flat. So one by one, we go by G flat, F, E, E flat, E double flat. This is, oh, too much E. D flat, C, B, B flat, A flat, and G flat. Okay, this is the mistake. So this is false. 3.7. Circle true or false for each statement. This is a G. This is the subdominant in D minor. D minor is F major. You have a B flat. Subdominant is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which one? It's number 4. So I go for F, D, E, F, G. So the G is number 4. And there is no flat or sharp there. So this should be true. B, this is the median in D flat major. D flat major, we have B, E, A, D, G flat. And the median is number 3. So D, E, F. F is the answer. So this is E flat. Definitely is false. Moving on, C. This is the leading note in B major. B major is F, C, G, D, A sharp. And leading note is the 7. So I count B, C, D, E, F, G, A. Is the A sharp because we have the A sharp in B major. This is A sharp. True. This is all the question 3. We have done the question 3. For the next video, I will show you how to do the question 4 interval. Bye.